All right, welcome back, everyone. This is Mike Brookman with the Radan guys, and today we're taking a look at punching. More specifically, we're taking a look at how to punch louvers and how do we control them so they don't smash each other as they process the part. Well, let's take a look at that. Let's dive in. We're going to jump right over here to order. I'm going to use my generic order text at the moment, click entire sheet, and we're going to play. And we're going to see the results that I get by not really controlling it at all. And that definitely not how we want to process a louver. Hopefully we can all agree at some point we're going to have some smashes. We'll stop that. So how do I fix it? Well, we're going to come in here to our order text. We're going to click on Edit V, go to Edit. There's my problem. I'm only calling out things generically by tool type. I don't have anything specific by a specific tool. So we're going to right click, we're going to go to add, we're going to go to punch. We're going to hit the drop down, we're going to select my tool, cruise down here, 87,660. Then I'm going to drag him up and have him go right before all the rectangles go. Typically rectangle is going to be what cuts the outside. And then I'm going to switch to the one thing that is going to control this altogether is the direction. I'm going to click on that I want to control the direction. I don't want to start at any corner. I want to start with 1 because I want it to start here and go up, stop punching, come back down, go up, stop punching, come back down, etc. So once I click on 1, I have 2 choices. I can either go up or I can go to the right. Notice what happens here when I change the up and right. My little green boxes of direction of sheet changes by this window increment size. So I want this increment to be small, but I don't want to slice my sheet by the length. I want to slice it by the width. My louvers are placed in a way where they're going to be going up and down, not left and right. So I want this to be taking little chunks of my sheet going this way. So that's the first step. The next thing is I want to engage a second direction. I want it to go up and I want it to go towards the right. So once I've done this, I'll click OK. Now that that's in my order text, I'll click OK. And I'm going to click entire sheet and give it a play. I'll let it punch all the holes and then we'll slow it down and watch the magic happen with these louvers. All the way to the top, come back down, all the way to the top. Perfect. That is exactly how I want to process my louvers. That way they don't get smashed. Hopefully you guys like this one. This has been Mike with the Radan guys. We'll see you guys next time.